Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber Fastball, a new everyday carry flipper knife made right here in the USA, now available at KnifeCenter.com. If you haven't been paying attention to Gerber for a while, the new Fastball might change your mind. It's a well-executed design with excellent materials and a very good price point. The best part is, the knife is American-made and it has the quality to back that up. Let's start with the frame, featuring Type 3 hard anodized aluminum scales. The texture is very nice in the hand. It's not too slick, but it's still smooth enough for easy pocket carry without tearing up your pants. They come drilled for 3 clip locations: tip up or down for right side carry, and tip up only on the left side. It also comes with an oversized lanyard hole for those who like to accessorize their blades. We also get a nice range of tasteful colors as well, with flat sage green and a natural clear anodization expanding the palette beyond the expected black finish. These look great when they're getting down and dirty, but they're refined enough that they would even make a good gentleman's knife. Onto the blade itself, S30V steel ensures that the Wharncliffe style blade has plenty of edge retention, features a flat grind, and should cut very well. There's no coating to slow things down either. The black handled version features a blackened stonewash finish, while a standard stonewash finish adorns the other options. And this is my favorite working finish for a blade. I like the aesthetic, and it'll actually help minimize the appearance of scratches that happen during use. So the materials are good, but how does it feel in use? In a word, I have to say, great. Gerber spent a lot of time tuning this knife, and it really shows when you open it up. The pivot features a smooth ball bearing system, and the detent is perfect. Even a light press of the flipper tab is enough to fully and quickly deploy the blade. It's also a very handy size, not too big or small, with a 3-inch blade. It also has a sturdy liner lock that provides definitive lockup with no blade play to speak of. The Fastball really shows Gerber's commitment to quality American manufacturing, and they've come up with a design worthy of being made in Portland, Oregon. It's stylish and refined, easy to carry, and has the chops to provide all the capability that most of us will ever need from our EDC knives. If you like what you see here and want to get your hands on any of these Gerber Fastballs, make sure to click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.